So for any of you guys who own a full-size, so for any of you guys who drive a full-size GM truck or SUV, like my 04 Tahoe behind me, maybe you have something older, late 80s, early 90s, OBS truck, or maybe you just got a brand new 2019 Silverado or something, you should stick around because I think you're gonna like what we're giving away in that box. So for anybody who's new to the channel, this is my 2004 Chevy Tahoe. It has around 222,000 miles on it. I bought it at auction last year for about 1,200 bucks. And if you want to kind of get caught up and see all the progress I made on this thing so far, just click the link at the top of the screen. That's going to take you to the playlist. But before we get started today, I just want to thank Boost Auto Parts for sponsoring today's video. Thanks to them, we are doing a 40,000 subscriber giveaway. Recently, they got in contact with me and sent me a key fob upgrade for the Tahoe. And a lot of you guys seem to love it. Link to that video right at the top of the screen. And we wanted to do something else for you. So I've been getting a lot of messages or comments specifically on Tahoe videos, recommending what mods I should do, and a lot of them seem to be putting a set of tow mirrors on. Now, I drive my Tahoe in the city. I'm in and out of Manhattan. Just having the smaller mirrors, when it comes to squeezing between trucks and parked cars, it's just a lot easier keeping a stock mirror. So even though I like the look of a tow mirror, I feel like they would just get destroyed driving them around in the city. So I got in contact with Aaron from Boost, and we came up with the idea to just give a pair away to one of you guys. Now, the beauty of this giveaway is you don't have to have an 04 Tahoe to get a set of mirrors. You could drive an OBS truck all the way back to 88, something in the mid 90s, even something up to a 2019. They have a tow mirror for it. So right here I have one of their mirrors from a later model Silverado. As I mentioned, you're gonna get the one that specifically fits your truck. Definitely check the link below the video, head on over to their site, enter your make, model, and just kind of filter through and see what they have that's gonna fit your GM truck. This mirror right here has quite a lot of features of it, and the other beautiful thing is we're gonna give you a $500 budget to pretty much pimp out your mirror however you want. Now on this mirror right here, it is manual folding. It has a daytime running LED as well as a turn signal marker here. So depending on how you option your mirror, you can either get this as a straight LED strip, you could get it with little LED lights, or if you don't want the running light at all, you can get this as purely a turn signal. This mirror in particular has the switchback option. So if you're driving around not making any turns, you're gonna have this nice LED daytime running light. Then if you go to make a turn, the switchback option is actually gonna turn that off, and you're gonna see your amber turn signal come on. Once you're done making your turn, turns off, and then it goes right back to the daytime running light. The other great option about these mirrors, you could get them with a low output floodlight or the high output LED light here. This is great if you're backing up in the dark, especially if you're on a trail, there's no lights, maybe you have a trailer attached. You can wire these up so they're gonna come on in reverse, and this is super bright. I'm just gonna go cut the lights and show you exactly how much this can light up. So right now, all my lights are off, minus the LED Camaro sign over there. I have the propane heater going behind me, and check out the spotlight on this mirror. That is just the high output LED on the side of the mirror. Now, aside from having the option of the low output light or the high output LED, you can also get them with defrosting glass, top and bottom, or just the top if you want, as well as the turn signal mounted in the glass, just like my Tahoe has the arrows in there. And you also have a choice of different colors. So you could get the chrome finish like this one has, you could get just a plain black, like all of this here, or you can actually get a paintable piece. So they'll send it to you non-chrome, not black, basically ready to paint, and you can actually color match it to your truck. Now onto the good stuff. How do you enter to win a set of these? It costs absolutely nothing. You don't have to go buy merch or anything like that. All you have to do is 3 simple steps. First, if you're not already subscribed to Boost Auto Parts, click the link below the video, head on over to their channel. They're gonna have all the how-to guides on how to install these on your model truck, how to wire in the LEDs on the side to work with reverse and stuff like that, as well as any add-on features you may get. So go over there, subscribe to them. If you're not already subscribed to yours truly, just click subscribe right below the video. And then lastly, you're just going to leave a comment below, hashtag LsxBoost. If you want, you can follow that up with just your make and model, what you're gonna put the mirrors on if you win them. And those are the 3 simple steps you got to do to enter. We're going to call the winner in 2 weeks. I'm going to upload a special video where we're going to go online, draw the winner by random. And depending on who wins, you're going to be forwarded to Boost Auto Parts, and they're going to take a custom order for your mirror. So you'll give them your make and model, your options, what you want. Like I said, you have a budget of up to $500 on the mirror. So you could get the switchback style if you want. You could get the defrost. You could get these chrome. You get them black. You basically select exactly how you want your mirror to come out, up to $500. From there, Boost will send them directly to you, and you have a brand new set of mirrors for your truck. But before I close this video out, I'm just going to go through the site, and I'm going to kind of make the mirror for my Tahoe in the future. If I put a set of tow mirrors on it, I don't have to drive in the city. Let's see how I would make my mirror. All right, guys, so first you're going to want to go to boostautoparts.com, then go up to the top and select Chevy/GMC. We'll click on tow mirrors, and then you'll be able to see all the different models that they actually make mirrors from. So we have 88 to 98 OBS, 99 to 02, 2003 to 07, 07 and a half to 2013. Then we go into 2014, 2500s and 1500s. Just mirrors for years and years of these Chevy trucks. Even from 2015 to 2019, they cover Colorado and Canyon as well. So plenty of GM trucks covered here. You should definitely be able to pick the mirror for your truck. Now, you're going to want to go over to make and model. Like I said, we're going to make a set for the Tahoe here. So we'll go over to Chevy 2004. Tahoe, and here we go, 2003 to 2007 classic GM tow mirrors, and these are all the options that you could pick from. Quickly, I'm just going to run through the different kinds of lights and features that they're going to have. First off, you can select the finish you want: chrome, just regular black, or paintable. For me, I'd probably go with the paintable just because I like the mirrors to match the body color of the truck. So if you get the paintable, they come pretty much primed and ready to go. You just have to have them sprayed to the color of your truck. You could pick up some rattle cans and have them match and spray them yourself, or you could just bring them to a body shop, have them take your color code, and then once they're painted, they just snap onto the mirror. So installation is very simple once you get them painted. Moving on to the lights, we have quite a few options here. You could go with the amber dotted LED. You could go with the smoke amber dotted LED, smoked white dotted, just a clear strip, or a smoke strip. For me, I'd have to go with the smoke strip. Now onto the forward light function. This is going to decide how you want this light to work. Now they have signal only, signal and running light 2.0, and then switchback. Just coming down to the bottom here, they tell you or show you exactly how everything's going to work. Signal only, just very simple, no running light. It's going to go on and off and you turn the signal on. Signal running light 1.0, you're going to have that running light there. It's just going to dim out or get brighter when the signal comes on. Signal running light 2.0 is going to be a simple on and off, and when the signal's done, you'll just have the regular amber running light there. Switchback, it's actually going to be 2 colors. So when your signal comes on, it's going to be an amber turn signal flashing. Then when your signal goes off, it's going to switch back to just the nice smoked or clear LED strip. I'm going to probably go with the switchback, and then we're going to move on to the floodlight. You can have a low output or a high output for the spotlight. So just coming down here, you can see the difference. Low output, just like a little LED, not too bright. High output, you got that huge beam of light just shooting back, and you're going to have that on both sides of the truck. So I'd have to go with the high output. That's an extra $34.95. And then you could decide how you want that to work. It's either going to only come on in reverse, or you can have it come on when it's in reverse, or if the dome light's on. I definitely recommend having it come on with the reverse and dome. That's just going to let you put them on by the touch of a button. If the dome light comes on, they'll come on. If you push the dome light switch on the dash, you'll get to turn them on. So essentially you have a switch to use them whenever you want. You get a flat tire, now you could just hit the button. You don't have to have the truck into reverse to get the light to come on. After that, we have the defrost option. For me, I'm just going with a simple upper glass only, but if you want, you can get the lower defrost as well. And then lastly, a fuse tap to get them wired in. Why not? We'll get 2 taps, 1 for each mirror. So before you add this to cart, I'm just going to come down here and run through the features real quick. So obviously you're going to have power adjusted upper glass. The mirrors are already powered. You're going to retain that. You're going to get the high quality LED lights. You're going to have the LED turn signal in the glass. So even if your truck doesn't have the LED turn signals, I'm relatively sure the wiring is there. So if you go to this mirror with the turn signal in the glass, I'm pretty sure it's going to work. Somebody correct me on that if you know for sure, but I'm like 95% sure you can upgrade to a turn signal in the mirror by just swapping the mirror out. Then of course you're going to have the heated upper glass. If you want, you can add the heated lower glass as well, and then you'll have the optional running light, the switchback amber or white LEDs, and then they're going to be manual folding, and they do have a 3-inch manual extend. I just didn't demonstrate that when I was holding the mirror because it's kind of hard to do when the mirror's not actually bolted to the truck, but they do extend an additional 3 inches. So we're just going to go and add this guy to cart. And we're at $465.75 for our pair of mirrors. So you can add quite the options to this and still be under the $500 budget. So just like that, you can customize your mirror however you like it. It's great they sell so many miles of mirrors, so even if you don't have an 04 Tahoe like me and you have an older truck and you think you're not gonna be able to get tow mirrors for it, they got you covered on the OBS trucks, as well as all the new stuff. But for now, that's gonna do it for this one. Remember, subscribe to Boost, subscribe to me, comment below LSX Boost, and you're gonna be entered to win these mirrors. For now, that's gonna do it for this one. I'll see you guys in a few days.